Hello, good afternoon. Hi, all of you. This is Ashok Leyland truck. We can manufacture our water well drilling machines. This is 450 meters water well drilling machine, and this is cabin. Here you can see. This is Atlas Copco compressor, which is 1200 CFM. Especially the rig is with the night lighting system. Here you can see from the closer. 6x4 tires. The rig is ready to dispatch. It is inside the compressor. Some pending works are completing here. And this is also 300 refurbished water well drilling rig that is under production. The above white one is rotary gearbox. The production is going on in this factory. The rig is absolutely quality rig. This is bogie suspension. The production is too busy. Still we are trying to show you the factory.
End video.